All right, so that's where I was stuck when I parked. I was trying to get up there and park. Got stuck right there because it's just randomly 8 foot of snow. We got out, went down, turned around, came back up, got to there, got stuck. Then I trucked forward, got to about 20 yards in front of where my truck is now and got stuck. And I just got it out and backed up onto the road to where I can actually get some work done. Try to get it to where I can get out. Dead in the water right here. Axle's in the snow. We've snapped my tow strap twice. All right, I've got the road, I think, ready to get out of here. I just gotta wait for it to get cold enough that it locks up so I can hopefully just skirt right out of here tonight.